Glad you could make it.
You know, a nice robin egg blue would really spruce this place up.
I was thinking more of an avocado.
Ooh.
Hey, can we, talk about the Loa Dust already?
Right. Sorry. That stuff is very sophisticated. I won't bore you with all the details like acetone and trichloroethane, but there is definitely some very good pot in there.
As long as we can make the shit that could have embalming fluid in it for all I care.
Making it won't be a problem. I'll give the recipe to Shondi.
Now all we gotta do is stop those fuckers from producing anymore.
Well, seeing as they're turning out so much product, they'd need a... Oh my god, I'm an idiot.
What's up?
In college, I dated this guy who would sell for the Sons, and he mentioned that they used to grow all their shit on a farm off campus.
And this is coming up for the first time. Why?
I forgot.
You're right. You are an idiot.
Hey!
Thanks for your help, Laura.
Where are you going?
I've got a farm to burn down.
We can just charge into that place.
You don't have to.
What do you mean?
Tobias is outside in the car. He's got a pilot's license. Why don't you just have him fly you over the farm?
You gotta be kidding me.
Does it look like I'm joking? I gotta tell you, destroying this much product just feels wrong.
Tobias, these arseholes are stealing your business. You think they're giving you any professional courtesy?
I never thought of it that way. Say, Laura and I's anniversary's coming up. You got any ideas?
Well, you're asking the wrong guy. I'd say either a QP or an Aisha CD.
Classic 102.4. We got beat up in school, too.
Hi, I'm Dr. Loa, and for years, my website
Reminds me of Laura and I's first date.
finding each other for the first time and
When you do that.
Destiny is also a new just been released from the big house in the original mirror. With our 30-point is the perfect place to find convicted felons like you. And don't forget to click on the unplanned destination locations, pickup lines, or body disposal sites in case things get out of hand on this special first day. So what are you waiting for? You've already done hard time. Don't let loneliness be the next place you spend your days and nights.
Looked a lot less flammable from the outside.
Whatever, jerk. Leave me alone.
Stop right there. Are you
Looks like some of the Samedi are trying to make a run for it.
Take me in closer. I'll take those arseholes out.
to find the love of your life? You need one thing. Let's try that again. There's something I need to tell you.
Jim, what is it?
You know Sandy?
Your secretary?
Yeah, well, she and I...
Oh, God. You're cheating on me? Again?
Don't worry, Doris. We're going to be okay. I got you something.
Oh, the...
Everybody, get out!
Perhaps they did not understand you.
What's up, guys?
The Saints raised my farm.
That's some shitty luck.
A helicopter-mounted machine gun has nothing to do with luck.
Well, how... Yo, can you cut that shit out? You're freaking me out. How did they find out about the farm?
Why don't you tell me?
I don't know what...
Stop lying.
Dude, I said I don't...
And he said, stop lying.
I'm telling you the truth, man. I don't know how they found out.
Then you are not very useful, are you?
I don't know how they found out, but I got some ideas.
Enlighten me.
I used to date this bitch Shondi, and there's a chance, I mean a small fucking chance, that I might have gotten stoned and told her about the farm.
Where is this Shondi?
Word is she rolls with the Saints now.
Let him go. Veteran child, you will go kill this Shondi. If you fail to do this, Mr. Sunchild will burn you alive. Does this sound fair? Excellent. Let's be on our way.